A lot of snow, Em.
Snowy cat, Daddy.
It's a lot of snow, right?
Where's my sled?
Your sled is covered. You want me to go get it?
Yes.
Emma, you having fun? Turn around. Hi, honey.
Hi, Daddy.
Whoa. No snowballs at the camera.